This quick, about to watch Stranger Things, and I don't know how much memory I got. So one thing worth noting, they changed their address to a P.O. box, it looks like, instead of their actual warehouse. And now I'm about to unbox 3 outlines, 2 t-shirts, and a hoodie. So they stuffed it all in here. These are insane. These are sick. Silver bags, 2 XLs, just outlines, and then right here we got a double XL hoodie. Super clean puff, already looks amazing. I gotta open this one. Double XL. The puff feels awesome. It's brand new. I love it so much already. Oh, I gotta try it on now. Open it for the one time. Alright, time to see if this hoodie is comfortable with its waistband. It's got the tags. Very warm. But not. Okay, I can dig this. Oh crap, I forgot about the sleeve text. Frick. This thing's clean. Oh my god, this thing's awesome. Worth 100%.